Hello, welcome back to another video of Handicrafts. So from today, I'll be uploading 5 continuous videos for the next 5 days, and in these 5 days, I'll be taking you all into the world of my YouTube journey. So let's begin. So firstly, let's begin with why I started, like how I came to YouTube, how I started my channel. So before I used to watch YouTube videos, but it would be mostly regarding my like studies. If I didn't understand anything, I would search it on YouTube, and sometimes songs and stuff or some serial episodes. But I didn't know that like we can create our own channel. I used to upload videos, but not as a channel. I just want like when I make some gifts or maybe I made some video for someone's birthday. I used to upload on my account and I should just share the link. I didn't know it can be converted as a channel and it can be monetized. I didn't know anything of this stuff. So I used to upload and I used to send the links to my cousins or friends, whoever I wanted to show. But then one day in 2017, randomly while talking to one of my cousin brother, he suggested me to watch Ashish Sajjani's channel. So I started watching his videos and I liked it. So while talking next time, I told him that yeah, his videos are good. And next he suggested me was Ronnie show. So I started watching Ronnie's videos as well. I liked his videos so much. I completed watching. It's like I've been to watch his full all videos in maybe within 2 days time. I had some holiday, maybe weekend something, so I completed it in 2 days. So that is then I got to know about his gaming channel and I started watching his streams daily. So that is when it came to my mind that when they can create, I can also create a channel. So then I took a whole day's time to think of a name because whatever name came to my mind, they were all common and already existed on YouTube. So I was like, what to keep? So finally, after one whole days of thinking, I came up with this name, Handicrafts. So that is how I started my channel. And yes, this was started on November 3rd, 2017, which will be 5 years in 5 days. So that's why you'll be seeing 5 days of uh, continuous videos. Sorry for the disturbance. Anyway, so after uh, the whole day's thinking, finally on 3rd November, I started my channel. I created my channel. I did all the settings and stuff. And on 4th November 2017, I uploaded my first video. And yes, the first 15 videos that I uploaded on my channel were of those gifts which I already had made before, and I had just taken the video of the gift to show my friends and cousins what I have made, but not the tutorial. So it was only first 15 videos were only of the gifts, like what I've made before. So then, in excitement, the biggest mistake I did was I uploaded 12 videos in one day, that is on 4th November, and that was the biggest mistake I did. So, because of this, within 4 days, I had uploaded 15 videos on my channel. So, it was like I was very excited. Yes, I created my channel. So, in excitement, whatever videos I had, I uploaded everything. I could have taken time, but I didn't do that. So that was one of the mistake I did. So after uploading all these 15 videos, after doing all this press, on 7th November 2017, I uploaded a short intro video of the channel because I didn't have any video left. So I created an intro video and I uploaded that. And after that, I started uploading one video per week so that I don't do this mistake again. So yes, mostly Sundays I used to upload it. And at that time, I was not much professional in editing. It was just that I used to upload, like, I used to edit videos before, but it was only birthday videos. I used to just merge everyone's. I was not so professional in editing. So, because of that, to make my videos look at least a bit professional, I copied the intro part of Aishi Aditi Cartoon. Sorry, Aditi. And that channel is now Crafter Aditi. You can check it out. And also, I have had an like one live conversation with her on Insta as well as the highlights on YouTube. You can check out the iCards up here. So, but that intro was like just that subscribe, like share part. So that one I copied. Then after that I made my own intro that was different. So after all these, the one of the shocking or surprising moment, I don't know what to say. It was like the 20th video of my channel. That is after the intro, the fourth video which I uploaded. It went viral in just the span of 2 months. That is, I uploaded it on 26th November 2017, and by Jan it had reached almost 100k plus views. That was really shocking or surprising. I don't know what to say. I was shocked to see that, but yes, that was one of the happy moments. So with this, I'll end today's video. I'll see you in the next video, that is tomorrow, where we'll be talking about some small milestones of my channel. So, and special dates. So yes, let's end the video of today, and I'll see you all tomorrow. I hope you'll like this. I hope you'll like my other 4 videos as well. So let's see. I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye bye.
Hello again, I hope you liked the video. If yes, then do give a thumbs up. And also, if you're new to the channel, do click on the red subscribe button below and also hit the bell icon so that you get to know whenever I upload new videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.